Awesome, everybody. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever part of the world you're joining me from. It's such an amazing moment again today to have a private session with some of you amazing people here. Yesterday we talked about, I taught us on some stuff and the sessional positioning yourself in the market and how to enter the right time to enter the market and make money. And the right time to enter the market, and also do a little bit overview on top head and shoulder pattern, and then we're able to look into a series of stuff today. That was yesterday. Today, okay, I want to let me brush our mind on market structure. But before then, let me ask you a question to show what you have done so far, so that we can move forward and ensure that everything being taught, you guys are understanding them, and of course we can proceed. Wale, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Awesome. So I want you to tell me a point I made yesterday about positioning yourself for the market, and then when time to enter the market. I gave you guys a note and a point, a nugget. What was the nugget I gave yesterday? I'm with you, sir.
Are you talking about?
No, I'm talking about Olanio. Should remind us what I asked you that to write down. The nugget I gave yesterday.
Okay. Is it about the timing?
Yes, exactly. About your session, about the sessional. Yeah.
Okay. As a trader that want to trade Tokyo session, opportunity arise around 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. midnight.
That's for what?
That's for Tokyo session.
What's the Tokyo session?
Like Tokyo session. What is it? Like I don't get.
Like what is Tokyo session? It's for what?
It's for GBPY and any currency.
Okay, awesome. Then okay, can proceed.
So Sydney session must be active. Any trade that wants to trade a Sydney session must be active by 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. So and the currency here for Sydney session is AUDNZD and all that.
Okay.
And for London section, you must any trade that wants to trade in London section must be active between 5:30 to 8 a.m. in the market.
It's what?
8 a.m. rather.
Okay, I thought 10 p.m.
So the currency pair is GBP, Euro, and so we'll go to New York section. Any trade I want to trade New York section must be active between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m.
12 what?
12 p.m. to 1 p.m.
Okay. Awesome. That was perfect. Thank you so much for that reminder. Yeah, well, that was perfect. Awesome. Okay. Aside that, I also gave a note, a nugget note, what you should always know in the market. What was that thing? But I asked you guys to write it down. While in remind us.
A nugget, like
was it yesterday? I gave you guys the nugget notes over the week, within the week. We had a class within the week. I gave you guys the nugget. What was the nugget? You did task for us and let us know.
Okay. Anytime a market session is about to open, is that the nugget?
Anytime market is about to open, or what?
Anytime a market is about to open, for instance, Tokyo session, Sydney session, London session, New York session, a market will always, at all means and at all costs, will present you an opportunity to trade.
Awesome. That's one. Let me echo that very well again. Perhaps you guys don't hear him very well. He said, any market they want to open, that is about to open, any sessional market that is about to open, must, at all costs and at all means, present you an opportunity to trade. That is to say, if I am in Japan, my 7 a.m., 12, 8 a.m., I want to trade, I want to come to the market, might be your own 1 p.m. AM in Nigeria, GMT +1. And I want to trade. I'm expecting what an opportunity at that moment for the fact that what the session market is opening. E.g. again, if I'm the US, the United States, I want to trade in the morning. Just wake up around 6 p.m., 6 a.m. Then I'll stretch myself, block, take a little freshen up. And I enter my trading station, I want to trade. By that moment, I must come to what? Because it's just an opening of the market. I must see an opportunity. If that market is already buying, is testing for a new opportunity to come, or is already selling and is testing for a buy. So something must be happening at that moment. That's what he just said. That is the intuition behind that statement. That whatsoever market it may be, if you are coming to the market, so that should be the timing why to come to the market. You should target the timing to come to the market. There must always be what opportunity for you to trade. Opportunity will always be there for you to trade and to pick up the opportunity. Yeah, that's it. So that is good. Thank God for those reminders. We are good to go and we are on the same page. Amazing. I'm looking at what to take today. I want to find out the market structure. Okay, let me test out something. Okay. What is this, Wale? What is this?
It's on high.
Okay, what is this? Tell me the movement of a longy market. How does it move?
A longy market.
Yeah, a longy market. How does it move? In the market structure, how does it move? So if you are certain that this is a trending long market, how does it move? A trend market that is longing, how does it move?
You mean it will move upward, no?
How? Yes, I know upward. How does it move? By comparison, how does it move?
By the high and low.
Explain to me now, I don't understand. How does it move?
It should be higher high and low.
Higher what?
Let me confirm let me come out from my notes.
It very shows that you don't after the class you close your notes. You don't do rehearsals, you don't follow through, you don't check. Oh my God. On your own, you don't study. It's obvious. Irony, tell me, when there is an upward movement in the long market, how does it move, sir?
Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower high.
Perfect. 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 That is what he says. So let me repeat that. I want to be sure all those topics you have done. I want to be sure we really understand them. It shows most of you guys you're just doing as if you are in your school days. Teacher will teach you, and you just close your notes. Anytime you remember your notes is just when it's time for exam. You're not doing exam here, my dear. This is a live practical. What I put it. This is a live class. Real life class in this one. Because this is what you go use to talk. Not be book. Now after exam, go open up again because they dust down. Big book. I'm not carrying anything here. Just natural, be natural with it. Go over it after class again. This is a live one. They bring money on and live. Let me book. You know they pass exam for there. You do exam for here. Not doing exam here. This is book. This is not book. So I don't expect you to just after class you close on notes and then you're done. And you're on the class today, you will check your notes. No, no, this is not school. This is not school now. Let's stop doing it as that school mentality, please. I don't want you to do it in that school mentality, please. Do it as something you want to make money from it. It will be so different. This is not school. I'm not doing exam here. I'm not taking care tests here. You're not doing tests. You're not doing stuff here. Yeah? All these things, you know them. Stop putting your book sideways, one by one side, and then about this class again, you remember the book. No, now. Come on. It shouldn't be now, guys. So I really urge us, please. Consult your notes, go through them at a leisure time. I don't think we'll use the job with this. So Sabian, what are you going to use as a job? So Sabian, what's that job? With time, what's that job? Not be booked with this, please. I want us to see beyond that, okay? So once the market is in a downward trend, how do you know that, Wale? How do you know that? Yeah, what will social that you be doing for us?
Today, downward trend.
Yeah, well, in what form, brother? In what form? Yes, I know you do that. In what form?
Today, a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, and a lower high.
Yeah, convince yourself. I repeat, it will do a what?
It will be a downward trend.
Yes, and in what form? And what structure?
A lower high. It will be from a high.
Okay.
A lower high and a lower low.
It shows that you are looking at your notes and call it out. It's not coming from your head. You can't read the market and begin to open notes. No, it should be natural. You should know it naturally. You shouldn't be, let me look at the note. Lower high, lower, low, lower. No, don't look at your notes. Once you look at the market like this, you should be to tell offhand, not beyond just notes. No, now this is not class. This is not school. Come on. You should go beyond this. Come on, this is not school. Don't look at the notes. I don't want to be wrong. You should know it offhand. Then we are not perfect in market structure then. You should know it offhand. That you just do not trust in. You should do what? A lower low, lower high, lower low, lower lower. Not trust. It should be not trust to you. Some things that will help you to interpret the market. Just let you consult your notes. No, not theoretical stuff. It should be practical to you in real life. Oh my God. Practical to you in real life. Oh, market is quite low and it's on the trend market. It should do what? A lower low, lower high. Lower low, low. It will do that structure for us. It will do that structure. You should know that. Come on. Hey. This is what I used to explain to all the time. This is what I used to explain to all the time. I use this NZD to explain to us. I use this NZD to explain to all the time. NZD to explain to us. This one. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. It will always do that. The market is falling. It should just be natural to you. Stop trying to cram, trying to look at the note again. And no, now it's just you don't consult. You're like, oh my God. Oh, now. A time should just stick to the charts. Go over what you've been taught. Go do an overview on yourself. Do a back texting on yourself. Those things will help you. Come on. I'm not they use the make money now. Maybe class, maybe test, maybe exam. Not doing exam here, man. Fuck. I want us to be much more serious than this, please. I want to be much more. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed at all. At all. Just say, let me know two stops now before you proceed. Because I know something. I know that just thing about not putting somewhere else and then. When the market is choppy, what will the market be doing?
It's not definite. Like it won't go up, it won't go down. It will be going up, going down, going in and out. It will have definite like if it's going up or if it's going down, it will be doing both everything, doing trending, both trending and both anyhow, sha.
What about a downward market? What will we be doing?
A downward market, it will be
Yes.
doing a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low.
Perfect. I don't think you guys start time together at all. Please teach your point now. You should always do the time together.
Yeah, like I plan to do that, but this last week was very hectic for me. I was very, very busy.
Busy. Hey,
Very,
yeah, I
very
understand. Eh? Hey, yeah, I understand. Please, you guys should come after the class and talk to each other, please. Talk, and then have a time that you guys can be free together. Please, there should be the 30 minutes of your time, you guys should just spend together, please. It's really go a long way. It will be very helpful to this class. It's winning. It's 30 minutes together, you guys should talk, look at your schedule, in the week, how when you will get chance. After you be I'm calling before have time together and discuss. Come on, man. Rapport together. We are talk on this. Can you remember this one? We are talk. You should rapport. Talk. So that we will know how we are progressing. Because it will be good if you have people who are there and then you are not progressing. Both sides are not progressing. It's not good. No, it's not good enough. It's not impressive. It's not impressive at all. It's not impressive at all. I want us to be sharp in all these stuff. So I'll be like, okay, yes, I'm doing something. You know, put you down by the time you need to realize that all that have been taught, you guys are still struggling with them. Go way down as a teacher. Way down as a teacher. Just be weak with the teacher. How do you know if the market is changing the structure? How the information you do boss, Wale? When the market is changing the structure, what are the information it will do for us?
Double bottom.
For an upward, it will do what? And downward, to do what?
For an upward, it should be a double bottom.
Downward will go.
Double top.
Perfect. Try to refresh our mind and know what's up. Because it's very key and important, man. Than just be jumping. Whereas these things are not being known. Perfect. How do you know when a market has broken out, Wale? How do you spot a breakout of weakness? How? You say what?
I don't pick that.
You don't pick that. Will I come again? How do you know if the market has broken out? What will you think that it will do when the market breaks out? How do you know this market has broken out? How do you know? I don't even know. Maybe today I will question time, so I don't even know. Just be asking you guys questions and then you to know what's up. How do you know a market has broken out? How do you know? How do you find out? What are the things you see?
There will be double trend.
Double what?
Double
trend. How do you know a market has broken out a trend line or broken out a cycle level? How do you know? I repeat.
I don't know.
You don't know. How do you know a market has broken out, sir?
It will break out very strongly, forming a very full candle.
What?
It will break out strongly, forming a very, very strong candle.
What do you mean by strong candle?
A full candle. What
do you mean by full candle?
A candle that does not have wick, like.
Awesome, perfect. The word is body. Just tell me body. It will break with what? The full body candle. Should you get that, Wale?
A minute, please. Sir, come again, sir.
It will break out with a full body candle. That's how you know that the market was. Let me show you. See this one now. It breaks out this trend line. Now
let me note it down so that I do check it out.
That's it. And you see this here.
It will do what?
To break out with a full body candle. That's why you know that the market has broken out. How to know that the market has broken a trend line? It will break out what? With a full body candle. Just a week. It will break out a what? A full body candle. Like this now, broke out. Let me show you that one again.
I don't see the one you are showing me.
I'll show you now. This one broke out.
Okay, okay.
Broke the trend line. Broke it. You can see it on the daily time frame as well. See it the way it broke. See it the way it broke. Full body candle, not weak. The body will break over the week, over the trend line.
Okay. I've noted that.
Let me show you that one again. See this trend line as well. See this full body candle. Break out. Break this our trend line and come out.
Okay,
Break out.
Okay. I can see that.
See this one too. Break out. So it always break out what? The full body candle will be weak. Break out forcefully. Yeah, that's it. What do you call weak, Wale? What is weak?
I don't know a weak one.
Huh?
But I know it's a part of the candle. Like a fainted part of the candle, like the starting point of the moving candle or something.
No, sir. No, sir. Ayeni, what do you call weak, sir?
A wick is the like the fainted line on the bottom and on the top of
Is
the
what?
candle. A wick is where the fainted part of the candle, like it can be on the top and it can be below, but it won't be full, like it will be the fainted part. Not full. That's the wick. I don't know how to put this. Like is the fainted line at the top and at the bottom of the candle.
The fainted line. Okay. That's why it's right, but not the. It's just a week is what is you can call it a shadow or any of the candle without a body. Simple.
A shadow.
It's called a shadow or any of the candle without a body. This is a candle, but it doesn't have a body here. It only has a small body here. That's a week. This one is a week. A simple term. Any candle that forms without a body is called weak. See this now. This is a body now. See this small weak up. That is weak. Weak. So that's the best way to explain. This is a weak now. This is a small body. This is also a weak at the top. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Top listen, bottom listen. You don't understand. The term there is what? A body, but without a body. That's that drop in a
candle without a body, sir.
A candle with a shadow body, with a weak body. That one that has a weak body. That's what they call weak. This just like how will I put it? How will I put it? If you have a footmat or all these keto sandals, and it has a drawing under the foot, if you tap your this thing on the foot, it always traces those twists back. So it's a weak injections that doesn't have a body on it. Candles that have a injection, doesn't have a candle, and have a body on it. These are weak. You can just call it injection. They will pick for you. You are with the right. Or call it shadow. Or say, okay, oh, they are places or a tiny line that doesn't have body. Why not? That's a layman language. Everybody, you know you're right. You have to say, what are you saying, sir? I didn't get it. So in that three form, you can establish your path and your point. A tiny line doesn't have a body. Or you call it a shadow. Or you call it a rejection. Am I talking?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear, Wale? Is that clear? Is that
Yes, sir.
Can that be a rejection? Call it a shadow or rejection? or call it a tiny line without a body. That's what we call it.
You can call it a rejection as well.
Rejection, shadow, or a tiny line without a body, without a candle body. That's what we call it. Good. Wale, what is this? Wale, what is this?
The shade that you are
This
pointing
bottom,
at
what is this? What?
is a low, no?
A low, right? What is this?
And high.
What is this? Come down. Is what? By comparison.
Higher low.
What is this?
Higher high.
What is this?
Lower higher high. Lower high. Lower high.
What is this? I repeat. What is this?
Lower high.
What is this? I repeat last time.
High. Low. Lower high. No?
You see, understand market structure. Irene, what is this, sir?
That's a low.
What is this, sir?
Higher high.
What is this, sir?
Higher low.
What is this, sir?
It's higher than the previous low.
Okay.
Higher.
Again, what is this, sir?
Higher low.
What is this, sir?
Higher high.
Perfect.
Higher high.
And perfect. That's it. If you can understand that one, then you understand market structure small. It shouldn't be convincing you. Don't mix it, don't cram out. Don't be book with this one. I see the talk about. If they pay me, it's not book. It's simple. Just understand the concept. It's not book. No, they do example here. It's not book. It goes higher. It's still for first saying higher. It's a upward trend. The higher one, your first level should be high than low first. If it's the downward, your first will be low than high. The higher, low, higher, low. Go there. Higher, low. Because what is still going higher? It's still a higher push, but what the higher is now coming more lower. That's it. You have to calm it. This was a higher. It comes lower a bit, but still it's still high than this one. It go higher again, it's still high than this one again. That is it. So it's not a low. Come on. Down. So it shows that we started lagging a bit in the market structure. Hey, Jesus. And it's not really impressing at all. Wale, what is this?
Sun high.
This income.
Low.
This income. By comparison.
Lower high.
Lower high. This income.
Lower low.
This income.
And lower high. Which one are you pointing
This
at?
one.
It's a lower high.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
This income.
Lower low.
Okay, good. This income.
Sun high.
This income.
Low.
This by comparison is what?
You can compare it to higher low.
Higher low, right? This income
Sun high.
is what?
Higher high.
Okay. We come back to this place to become what?
Become a lower high.
Lower what?
Become a lower high.
Lower what?
Lower high, no?
Eh?
High, low. Lower high. No?
Please, guys, study this very well, please. I wouldn't want you to be having this in the next class, please. I'm not to be sure. That's why I'm always coming back to say, lower what? Because you're not sure, but you're looking at your notes. To be sure, it's good now. It's good now. It's good now.
I get the answer right.
I know. I just psychologically hid in your mind. I know. So I knew that you were going to like, even the note again. I don't get it. It's over now. Yes, so it shows that you're still struggling with this thing. Please and please. In the next class, we should be studying this. I don't even know. Thank God I even have to do a overview of all this stuff. But I've been just pushing ahead, thinking we are getting it. Whereas we are not. It's not amazing, it's not interesting at all. Please, you need to go back to all these things, dealt with them very well. Stop coming, stop trying to come to class and then look at your notes and then answer the question. You cannot help you. I don't know, maybe exam, maybe class, maybe exam with this one. Maybe school work. It's a live work. It's a live, I will bring money to your pocket. Maybe school work with this, please. I really, really want us to deal with this thing a lot, okay? Please, guys, let's work on that. Solely. My talking.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, that's where we end for the overview and the revision. Let's go to the new class for today. Let me stop this so that we can continue. So it will be too long. So join us in the next class, guys.